Koch Technology Solutions has been licensing purified terephthalic acid technology for over 35 years. Through continuous improvement, KTS has upgraded its PTA technology, focusing on environmental performance and cost efficiency. Over the years, we've propelled capital productivity by streamlining processes and scaling PTA plants to an impressive 3 million tons per year. The latest pinnacle of our commitment to innovation. Our journey towards environmental stewardship includes a significant improvement in environmental performance and variable costs. We've transformed major plant duties to reuse process water, with effluent now almost entirely comprised of excess water from the oxidation reaction. We have brought about a substantial reduction in steam consumption. Through innovative heat integration within the process, we've slashed fossil fuel requirements, reducing cost and environmental impact. Witness the evolution. PTA technology has shifted from an electricity consumer to a net electricity exporter. By maximizing low-grade heat use, we've reduced variable costs and significantly cut the carbon intensity, producing an economical and environmentally responsible product. Behind these strides is our team, armed with unparalleled knowledge and experience and committed to delivering the highest quality support to our clients. Koch Technology Solutions, the journey of progress, delivering innovative solutions to the PTA industry that are cost-effective and environmentally responsible. If you are interested in learning more about PTA technology, contact Koch Technology Solutions today.